Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Nusa Dua, the elite area in south of Bali. Today on 2 November, I will explore the private area in Nusa Dua and also the beach. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Nusa Dua, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Nusa Dua on 2 November 2021. You see the gate at the front? Yeah, it's like a private area in Nusa Dua. There is like a lot of big hotels and some the hotel connected by the beach. Okay, this is like security check at the front. So if you want to go in to this area, you have to pass security check because this area like a private area. You see this area? It looks very green, isn't it? It's very beautiful. There is a lot of big trees around here. Actually, I already explored this area 2 months ago, but now I will try to explore again. I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area on early November 2021. You see big statue at the front? It looks very beautiful, isn't it? It's a story about Ramayana. Okay guys, now we continue driving in this area on Nusa Dua. Along the street in this area in the right side, there is a lot of big hotel and some of them connecting by the beach. And in the left side, there is also some hotel and golf court. You see? It's very beautiful, isn't it? Actually, I'm gonna say it's still very quiet actually. Even international border is open. But this area is still very quiet. Because since the opening of International Denpasar Airport, there is no one plane landing yet. So I can say like Bali is still very quiet. If I turn right at the front, there is the way to go to Waterblow. It's a beautiful beach there, but today I cannot go down there because the beach is closed. The Waterblow is also very famous in this area, in Nusa Dua. You see this area? It's very beautiful. We wish have the house around here because this area is very clean and very calm. And actually I'm gonna say like Nusa Dua is the most expensive area to stay in Bali. Because in this area, we have only 5-star hotels. And also in this area, they have like private shopping mall. We call Bali Collection. You see left side? There is the parking area for Bali Collection. So, if people who stay in this area, so they do some shopping in Bali Collection. Yeah, in the right side is Bali Collection. And also in Bali Collection, there is some restaurant. Okay guys, you see the weather today? It's very beautiful, isn't it? It's very blue sky. And also the area is so pretty with the trees and the road is very smooth. Okay, again, I just want to say thank you very much for your support my channel. And for you, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing this area. You see left side, there is BIMC. It's mean like a hospital in this area, and that hospital also quite big. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Nusa Dua area. In this area also we have very beautiful beach. So I will show you how to like the beautiful beach at the end this video. And also in this area, actually there is some hotel recommended by quarantine when you are come to Bali. It's the hotel we call Sofitel. So you can stay in this area for 5 days during the quarantine. Do you want to do that? I think no, because the price is so crazy. It's so expensive. There is a lot my customer told me they doesn't want to come to Bali because quarantine. So this way, they just keep stay in their hotel and waiting until the quarantine is over. And some of my viewers from Australia, they told me they already booking flight to come to Bali on June or July. Actually, I just gonna say like how they already booking when this situation is not sure yet, not clear yet. But we hope early next year, Bali will be open without quarantine for Australian and for all the countries around the world. You see the weather today is very beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's very clear. I mean like it's not all the blue, some sky, but combination is look very beautiful. You see left side? There is the biggest meeting room in this area we call BTDC. Actually, I gonna say like a lot the president around the world, they already come to this meeting room. Okay guys, so what do you think? Do you have any dream to stay here? Or maybe you want to buy a house here? It's like impossible actually to buy land here and make a house. But maybe you can buy the hotel here. That's a good idea. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Nusa Dua area, the elite area in south of Bali. And as I told you, at the end of this video, I will show you how the beautiful beach in Nusa Dua. So just keep stay tuned until the end of this video. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video. And if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.